Welcome to the Bitcoin daily analysis. Alright guys, so Bitcoin having a little breakdown, just a little bit one. We added the daily support here and we actually are holding it. Let's see if we can still create an higher low, okay, on the daily. On the 4, we broke down that uptrend, okay. I want to see if we are actually going to see a rejection on the backside of the trend, or if we are going to adapt our previous trend to the 1 year and still have an uptrend, okay, because this level was not tested, okay, the daily was not tested, the 4 hour was not tested until today, okay. So 4 hour, we have a little downtrend here on the 1 hour and on the 15, okay. We have the 4 hour untested level on this range, okay, just this range. We go to 1 hour, okay. We have the downtrend here. I actually adapt the 1 hour to this 15, okay, and then I created the 15 because on the 1 hour here we broke that on the 15. Let me show you guys. So this 15-minute candle breaks the trend, so we adapt that over here, okay. Inside this 1 hour trend we also have the 15, okay, starting from the point that we finished the test, and we adapt to the top on the 15, okay. So let's see if we are going to see a reaction on this 15. I don't like it because it was already tested multiple times and it's just a 15, okay. What I really want to see, if we are going to break up that previous uptrend, okay, or if we are going to backtest. We might see a little move up, okay. It doesn't matter, it's a backtest anyway. But if we on the 4, let me go to the 4. If on the 4 we go to maybe this 1 hour here, or even to this one, this 4 hour polarity, okay, the break level, the one that started this move down on this range, if we are going to see a big and another rejection on that and stay below the trend, okay, it doesn't need to be in the 4 hour candle. We might see that on the 1 hour, but I believe we are not going there unless this 4 hour was really strong and we are actually staying in the uptrend, okay, because this is a big downtrend here. I don't want to create another trend here, but we might have a more interior trend from that on the top, okay. We might see another 4 hour downtrend here. I don't like this one. I rather wait and see if the 1 hour range trend is going to be tested. I can keep this for actually, but on a 1 hour it's almost nothing here. So let's see, and it's kind of in the middle. If we are going there, it's in the middle of this big kind of gap here, and I don't like that. So I want to see the reaction on this 4 as a resistance, on this 1 hour also as a resistance, okay. Untested candle. We have a trail on the 1 hour on this range. As you can see here, this candle was not tested, so I want to see a reaction either here, the trend, or this 4 hour polarity, okay. Probably the 4 hour polarity, it's the best level for a short because the spread is going to be really low, okay. So is the risk, okay. Right now we hold, let me delete this 4 because it's not created yet. So we hold the daily, we hold the 4, we already created the 4 as support, okay. Let me do this for our support here. Let me go to the 1 hour. We have a trail, a little trail on the 1 hour, okay. We have the 1 hour here. Let me mark this as a 1. Let me delete the daily so you guys don't get confused. 1 hour, this 1 hour holds, okay. So we have a possible creation of the 1 hour uptrend, okay. It's just a range trend, it's not created yet, but we might see a good reaction on that. So First, we need to break up this 1 hour because on the 4 we have nothing here. It just okay. We have no green candles here. On the 4 we just have on the 1. I want to see if we are going to reject this 1 hour, okay, or even the back side of that trend, okay. If not, we are probably going to break up, okay. If we don't hold this backside or this 1 hour, we can easily go to this 4 and break up, okay. For me, right now I'm not taking longs here because this is kind of bearish, and the only possible long would be something on this 1 hour support and on the trend, okay. And I didn't watch the 15 on this range, so we might go to the 15 on the daily. Let me go to the daily because I didn't went there. So we also have the daily downtrend, okay. It's the 4 hour that's here. It's the same. I'm gonna show you guys. So daily, the blue one, the yellow one is this one. So I pretty much like the 4 because the daily, we don't have a third test on that daily, so it's kind of not created yet. But right now we have to focus on the downside because Bitcoin just broke this really strong uptrend, okay. On the 4, I'm gonna keep the 4 possible trend here because on the daily that's also good, okay. On the daily we didn't broke this trend here, okay. We didn't close, open and close a red candle below the 4 hour and the daily here, so it's not really a confirmation of the breakdown, okay. The only problem here is that I don't like this 4 as support, okay, because yeah, there's too much volume here on these candles, and this range was already tested. So let's see if Bitcoin is really going to break down or hold here, or even creating a new range between these levels here, okay. That's 6% so yeah, Bitcoin might stay on this range. But for me right now, we are kind of bearish just because we broke the 4 hour uptrend, and we really need to close some 4 hour candles above the trend. Otherwise, this might be a confirmation of the downtrend, okay. Let's see if we are going to have a reaction on this possible 4 or even on this 1 year. We are far away from that, so let's just focus on this one first. We have the 1 hour, we have the 15, we have the 4, okay. So on the downside, we just have this possible creation on the 1 hour and the 4 possible creation also. So this is more bearish than bullish for me. All right, guys. So thank you so much. See you guys on the next Bitcoin analysis. Thank you.